Wreckless Hobbies. So we've been over here debating how long and what tires we should get, yo. Drag bills. I'm going with the small. Throw them on the Bandit Chromes. Hopefully they fit. And we go from there. Shout out to Shawn at Wreckless Hobbies. Held us down. After hours we came through. So let's take a walk around the store and show y'all some dopeness. Terrier. And Mojave, that new thing. Oh yeah, let me show y'all this thing right here. Look at this hot rod snap on. Hold on, let me get around there. Let me show you. Got Johnny, he about to cop a DR10 Street Eliminator.
It's like, honestly, dude, last week I had no batteries and chargers, no servos, right. A lot of the stuff came in last week.
I mean, what batteries you got?
Check that out.
One size.
Oh yeah, that's the Traxxas 2.0, the extended one. Nice joints here. Paint. Sure, I got t-shirts. Yeah, got the track. Okay. Show y'all the sneakers. It's official. Wreckless Hobbies. Got a whole bunch of mini Z's, parts, everything. Oh yeah.
I bought a castle motor just because I wanted the EXB.
Got the zombie in here. Oh, he got a lot of stuff in here. Double R6s in there. Got a walk around. Oh yeah. Oh, you got that DR10 right here. This your DR10 right here? Yeah, they got the trophy right in here. You got a bunch of Craytons, man. If y'all in the New England area, this store is in Wareham in Massachusetts. It's like 30 minutes away from me. Oh, check this boat out, y'all. Let me show y'all this boat. Oh yeah. Max up there. Let me show y'all that boat. Woo! What you said, this is a 30cc boat? Got an engine in there. Check the pipes out in the back. Pipes right there. So got some more boats over here. Got a Traxxas Slash up in there. All the upgrades for Traxxas right there. We got the Mini Revo right here. It's a Traxxas corner. Got the Bandit. Everything in here. Got the Bigfoot. Yeah. Shout out to Shawn once again, man, for looking out. Had some tires in stock for us. Yeah.
You should see what they're doing with the quarter scale.
Yeah.
You seen that EXB?
You got the EXB in here. Oh yeah, he actually got it right here on the counter.
Pull it out if you want to.
Oh shit. EXB.
It's over there. Nobody came in.
Okay.
You know the drill. Do a lot of upgrades to it, I guess. I love the bumper. It's like a T-bone bumper up there. They never had that before.
Yeah, that definitely helps out with that.
To see if I can see what kind of gearing it is.
I think it might have a cover. I'm not sure.
On the gearing?
It might.
Ooh, I like that. Sexy.
Yeah. There we go.
Is this an 8S crane?
No, it's a 6S.
Pete.
It's a 6S, but they just gave it all the upgrades it needed. See it come with.
They even give you a servo horn. Look at that.
Yeah, that's definitely nice. Suspension nice. Got some nice shocks.
Made that thicker.
Uh-huh.
The regular adjustable motor mount wasn't that thick.
Yeah, that's nice.
I like the
Nice
EXP all
turnbuckles.
over it.
Yeah,
Extreme Basher, I like that.
that's nice. That's
Yeah,
nice.
they did good.
Nice upgrade right there.
They're getting their shit together. The bottom, huh?
Yeah, that bottom is
Just
tough.
bash blast.
I'm a car guy, dude. I like all cars.
Hey, if y'all can see that car right there, that thing is sitting on like 30s. That's how I see car. That's dope right there. That's definitely nice. And we still in here just kicking it. Oh, let me show y'all this thing right here. This thing is nice. That thing is nice. Chrome ones. He built one over here too. Let me show y'all this. He built this right here. Thing is sick right here. Camera don't do it justice, but the thing is sick. I love everything. Yeah, we got Johnny into the street eliminator.
What's the 39 kg?
Got that DR10 fresh out the box. You say he taking this system right out of here. It's coming right
As soon
out.
as I get home.
You got the orange one. Yeah, he coming. Don't worry, y'all. He coming. This battery don't work. I'm about to say, try it out. Yeah, we just went in here, see what pitch it was. My boy buying some upgrades right off the rip. Shout out to Shawn. He let us use his tools right over there. Yep.
That's funny color.
Where?
Up top.
Funny car up there.
No 22. I got a 19 if that helps.
No, that's low.
You don't know what it is
I
yet.
know it's low, but I didn't know. Oh, wait, hold on.
He don't know what it is yet. That's not. I had to show this right here. I don't even know what this thing is, but this thing is hard. Look at the head wobbling. Getting it in. Yeah, this thing nice. Got the exhaust, all that. Got a little dog ball axles in there. Yeah, it's nice. I like this. How much is yeah, look at these tugboats right here. These things big. I know y'all ain't. Look at my hand compared to that.
360 drivetrain.
Wow, that's crazy.
Look at that thing, huh?
Yeah, we need that fan right there.
I don't need nobody to see.
Look at the motors back there. That's crazy.
Oh, huh?
Yeah, that's something different. I never seen that. After COVID, y'all could come here and get y'all parties done, right? Then you come right here. You know, you got the track. This is nice. You throw birthday parties here and all that.
You know, train bought a cop.
Nice.
I told you for the kids.
Check the Mini Z track out. Grown men be racing on this. Damn the kids. Yeah, that's nice. I like this. Look at that Chevy up under there. Got the Wreckless tarp. It's nice. Yeah. Show y'all the top over there. That's the track right there. It's a nice set. The crawler course out. Got everything. Look. Got a drift course track under the Mini Z track. Yeah. Got your platform to stand on for your winners and your losers. No. Nice. This is nice. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's a crawling course back there. That thing nice. You could turn this into a drag strip. A bunch more shit back there. Got a whole HPI section over there. You know that's my section right there. You got HPI section, bunch of bodies over there. You know what I'm saying? Got the Monster drinks for everybody. Got the fuel. And we got the box for the lipos. We need those.
Right. We're fucked. We
Nah,
are
y'all.
3 men in a room.
Hey, shout out to Wreckless Hobbies right there. This gonna be for giveaway for the event. Yeah, shout out to Shawn for that. Appreciate you, bro. That was real.
Everybody have fun. Be
Yeah,
reckless.
for sure. my man, yeah, Reckless.
even how something come out and don't go back in the way it came out.
You knew this, homie?